Hey my people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome guys. Okay, so hope you are safe wherever you are. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a great belly fat that you can do at home since you are basically at home, to eradicate belly fat. And by doing this, you also have to reduce the intake of some fatty food, soda, and some very carbohydrate concentrated food. Okay, by doing that, this home remedy is gonna work so well. And if you want to know all of the ingredients, stay put and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share my video. And now let's walk into this video. For an effective belly fat remedy and solution, guys, you're gonna be needing to use apple. Now you can use the green apple. The green apple will be more effective for this home remedy and for an effective fat reduction. So what you're going to do here is that we're gonna be slicing this apple. Okay, so we're going to be slicing it this way. Okay, now make sure to get rid of the seed. Now the thing is that if your apple does not contain any seed, it's actually not organic and it's not going to be as effective as what we want it to be. So your apple has to contain seed. By so doing, then you know that it is very, very well effective. So after doing this, you have to be cutting it in cubes. So after doing that, we would have to be transferring it into the blender. Now the essence why we're blending this, I'm going to be telling you while the video move on. And then the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is garlic. Now garlic is a great remedy that helps to flush out toxins in the body. It helps so much for cold, cough, flu, and catarrh. And it helps so much for effective reduction of weight and also belly fat. So if you're looking forward to reduce, now for a fast and easy way to remove garlic glue, be beating it. So after doing that, then we're going to peel that. And it's not very, very easy to peel. You can still just use your hands. So just peel it after you actually put things together. And after doing that, then we'll have to fetch all of them. Okay. Now you have to also sanitize this by washing it. Now after washing it, guys, for 1 glass of, if you're making for 1 glass, you use two pieces. But if you're making this for 2 glasses, you use 4. So for 1 glass of this remedy or fat reduction remedy, you use 2 cloves of garlic. Okay. So for this particular one, I'm going to be using just 2 cloves since it's just going to be 1 glass. Yeah, so I have 4 left, which I'm going to be using another day. Yeah, so this is it. And then the next ingredient, we're going to be making use of ginger. Now ginger is a great remedy for the skin and also for the body. It helps so much for the metabolism of the body, and it also helps to boost the immune system. It helps for reduction of fat, and it's also a great natural remedy for removing spots on the skin. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to be needing to use just a little quantity of this ginger. I hope I wasn't saying garlic all along, because I kind of, too used to mixing the names together. So after doing that, you also have to wash, yeah, and it's clean. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to chop the garlic into pieces. Sorry, ginger, not garlic. Oh my god, I've actually been mixing the name. You guys know this is ginger, not garlic. The first one I use is garlic. Yeah, okay. So what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna transfer the ginger into the blender, and we're gonna be putting in water. Okay guys, so now we're gonna be putting just the quantity of water that you know is going to be enough for just 1 intake, which is 1 glass. Yeah, so after that I'm going to go blend it. Alright, so this is it, and it's blended, and it's going to be foamy when you blend it at first. Yeah, and this is it. Now the next ingredient is going to be apple cider vinegar. Now using apple cider vinegar for this drink is going to make it really effective and work really well, guys. Okay, so you're going to be putting just 1 cup. You have to measure it from the cup here. 1 cup of apple cider vinegar into 1 glass. Now when you're done putting it, then you mixing it together. All right. Okay, so this is it. Now you can drink this every morning or every evening. Now whichever time you choose to drink this, it has to be like your dinner, like after you've taken something light, then you drink this. Okay, in no time your belly fat will be reduced, and you're gonna be loving the way you're gonna be, because it's gonna help also to clean your colon, and it's gonna be very effective for your skin, because it's gonna show. Now when your colon is clean, like when your body is clean, literally you're going to begin to feel really light and healthy, and your skin also is going to be really glowing. Yeah, so in the evening, 1 glass every evening, and you're good to go, guys. Perfect remedy. Okay guys, so that's it. Okay, I have actually like started taking all of those, belly fat drink, but I do not take it too much because for now I am still breastfeeding and I don't need my baby to slim down. Yeah, okay, so if you're not breastfeeding, you're not pregnant, you can take this and it's gonna be very, very helpful. Follow all of the rules. Yeah, and I will see you soon in my next video. If you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you soon. Bye guys, and be safe.